Have you ever tasted the combination of spinach with chicken? Yes, today I'll be sharing the recipe of delicious, super creamy spinach chicken, or commonly known as Palak chicken in India. This recipe has its own fan following base, especially when the fresh palak or spinach is combined with delicious chicken. It has a very nice taste, sublime taste, and this can be consumed with Indian bread, roti, paratha, naan, even goes very well with fried rice or steamed rice. Try this recipe. You will love the nutrient content. The taste is so awesome because we have combined the spinach puree with chicken and some major condiments that promote to the delicious sublime taste. Try this to believe the taste of spinach chicken. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Sus Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, you subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and believing in my work. So let's begin with this recipe. For this recipe I have taken here 1 kg of chicken. It is nicely washed and I have drained out excess water. To it I'll squeeze around half a lemon. So this goes on this chicken, and salt I'll add according to taste. 1 teaspoon I have added, and now it's time to mix. I'll mix this chicken with the salt and lemon and leave it to marinate for around 15-20 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll prepare other ingredients. So here I have covered it, and now the water is nicely boiling. It's around 1.5 liters of water, and to it I have added fresh palak or spinach. It's around 4 medium bunch of palak or spinach, and this palak was my homegrown palak or spinach. That's why you can see the leaves are so tender and small. And the perfect way to blanch spinach is to add it in hot water, boiling water, for just 8 to 10 seconds. That's it. In 8 to 10 seconds this is ready. Just dip it in water for 8 to 10 seconds, and now immediately I will take it out from water and show it under the running tap water. You can also submerge it in ice cold water, but I feel this is the most easiest way for a normal kitchen day to prepare or to lower the temperature of the palak. So I normally do in this way. If you want, you can drop these palak leaves into ice chilled water, but I normally show them under the running water, and for 1 to 2 minutes nicely rinse them so that the temperature reduces instantly and the palak stops to cook. This will retain the lovely green color of this palak. Squish them, and this goes inside the blender. And here I have some beautiful coriander leaves. These are my homegrown coriander leaves. You can see how tender they are. To the blender I have added the palak or spinach, some green chili. This coriander leaves also goes in, and I'll add a little bit amount of water, just 2 tablespoons, and I'll blend it to a nice fine puree. This is the base of palak chicken or spinach chicken, the puree of spinach, coriander leaves and green chilies. It's done, and here I have heated a pan, large kadhai. 5 tablespoons of mustard oil I have added. You can also add some ghee and few dry spices, black cardamom to green cardamom, cloves 2 to 3, and stone flower. If you have it, do include that. It gives a very nice flavor. Personally, I am in love with stone flower, so I would recommend that. Some bay leaves goes in. Just toss in for around few seconds till it releases the aroma. Make sure the temperature should be in medium. And now once it is tossed, add 1 large onion finely chopped, some salt, and fry it till this onions turn nice golden brown. Meanwhile, I have made a paste of ginger 1 inch, garlic 10 to 12 cloves, cumin seeds half teaspoon, dried red chili 4 to 5, depends upon the taste, with some water. So this paste is ready, and my onions have nicely golden brown caramelized. To this I will add half a cup water and some dry spices, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, Kashmiri red chili powder, and some turmeric powder. This goes in. The addition of water will prevent the spices to burn, and this is a nice technique to beautifully cook the dry spice that we have added. So toss for around, mix for around few seconds, maybe 15 to 20 seconds, till it starts to release oil, and then I'll add the prepared paste of ginger, garlic and the red chili. Mix it on medium flame and wait for around 6 to 7 minutes till it is nicely roasted. It will release oil from sides, and then it's time to add 1 large tomato finely chopped. Give it a mix for around 5 to 10 seconds, and then I'll add little bit amount of water, maybe 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, and then Cover the lid and leave it on lowest flame for around 5 to 6 minutes more, and after 5 to 6 minutes low flame, the tomatoes have softened and the spice paste is ready. You can see it has released some oil from sides. If you want, you could have stirred in between, but it's done, and there is nothing sticky at the bottom of the pan. That means this spice paste is perfectly done. Oil has oozed out from sides. That's the way, that's the symbol to know that the spice paste is nicely roasted. And now it's time to add the chicken pieces. Increase the flame and add the chicken pieces and some salt, because if we add the chicken pieces in low flame, the chicken pieces will instantly release its moisture. We don't want that. In high flame, roast it for around 5 to 7 minutes so that the chicken outer layer seals nicely. And after 5 to 7 minutes, I'll add 2 large size potatoes which are quartered. Just love the flavors of potatoes, chicken and spinach. If you want, you can avoid adding potatoes, but if you want to try this flavor, do add some potatoes and let me know how it turned out. So after mixing the chicken and potatoes for around 5 to 7 minutes on high flame, I had reduced the flame to medium and covered it, and after 5 to 7 minutes I have added some curd around half a cup. And as the chicken were nicely sealed, it will take some time to release its moisture. Give the curd a nice mix on medium flame and then cook it on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. You can see this is a nice layer of masalas, and now cover it on medium flame for more 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes, you can see the chicken has released enough moisture, which includes the moisture of the curd. Now we need to cook it at open flame for 5 to 7 minutes more till the moisture has reduced. And after that, once the moisture had reduced, you had seen in my video, considerably it has reduced. I had added the palak or spinach puree, and after adding the palak and spinach puree, give it a nice mix, then reduce the flame to medium, cover it and let it cook in its own juices for more 5 to 7 minutes. Till now it has been around 15 minutes, and after 5 to 7 minutes more, I had taken out the cover. You can see oil has started to separate from this puree of palak, spinach and the spice paste. Basically, in spinach chicken, the chicken and the puree is to be cooked together. That's the trick for this recipe. So the essence of this puree is that it will have amalgamation of the flavors of chicken and the goodness of spinach. And this time when I take out the cover, you can see the gravy is almost looking done here. Oil has oozed out from sides and the amount has reduced considerably. Chicken is almost done here. And now it's time to add the paste of 6 to 7 cashews. This will give the nice smoothness and richness. Chicken and spinach curry. Give it a mix, and as I'm stirring, you can see how lovely the paste of the cashews and chicken gravy is combining together. This smells so heavenly. And after we have added cashews, increase the flame to high and wait till the oils again separates from this gravy. And this to me is looking just awesome. The smell is so divine, and this is ready. Gravy is semi-thick, which is just perfect for me. And now it's time to serve this lovely spinach chicken curry. The fact that in this dish we get the goodness of spinach with the delicious taste of chicken is the most happening thing for any dish. And as you can see, it has turned out to be super awesome. And as I am plating this dish, I can't just tell you what divine smell and aroma this dish is having. So try it to believe it, as I had said. And I have garnished it with some ginger juliennes and some fresh red chilies. Those I have added, and my delicious spinach chicken curry is ready, typical style. I just love the flavors. As I said, I have shared many tips and tricks to make this perfect spinach chicken. Try this and let me know how it turned out. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is from Suryakant Mahapatra. He writes, "Ma'am, the way you describe is fabulous. I liked it very much. Thank you, ma'am." He is actually commenting on the recipe of Matar Paneer. Thank you so much, Suryakant, for such lovely words. Stay safe and stay connected. Next time when you want to try some new recipe of chicken, do try it out. You will love the flavors. You can also follow Source Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. And if you have liked this video, do give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. And do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.